welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Bridget, and the man behind the camera is the beard.
And Chewbacca.
It's been a very long month, guys. I'm sorry, my filming schedule's been all messed up. But I do have a question for my viewers. Would you guys rather see my regular schedule of Mondays and Fridays? Mondays, Fridays?
Monday, Friday.
Or would you rather see like Wednesday and Saturday? Or leave it down below what days you would like to see me upload filming, because I've been uploading some on Wednesdays, so you guys just let me know what works for you. But in today's video, this is going to be our monthly around the world dish. This is from El Salvador, right?
I don't know, you got it in your hand.
Yeah. I can't say what it's called. Casamiento?
Casamiento.
Hey, I did it right. But anyways, it's like a red beans and rice dish. We're doing the breakfast version, or you could do like a dinner version and just grill it up with some meat, but we're doing the breakfast because that's what we had stuff for. So you need a tablespoon of vegetable oil, half an onion chopped. We did a whole onion because we love onions. Half a green pepper chopped. We didn't have green peppers, so we done yellow and red. And orange. It'll still be okay because we have the mini peppers. 1.5 cups of cooked rice, 1 15-ounce can of red beans, do not drain, 1 chicken bouillon cube, salt and pepper to taste. And then to serve on the side, you need fried plantains, fried eggs, sliced cheese, and sliced avocados. So, we've already boiled our rice. Right here you go. It's all boiled up. You gotta show the rice. So that's done. Now we're gonna heat this pan. And we're going to heat this pan, and this pan's for our eggs. But I'm going to let the beard... Here, this is the one. I'm going to take the camera, and I'm going to let the beard show y'all how to do it. So this is the plantain, what it looks like unpeeled. This is what it looks like peeled. And this is some of the prep work we've already done with the onions and peppers. And then we just have a can of beans. So, here we go.
These are a pain to peel. It smells weird. Doesn't even smell like a banana.
It smells like a cucumber.
But it's the same plant.
I know, but it smells just like a cucumber. I've never had plantains. I've never even smelt them. Smelled them, whatever.
Aren't really right, but you fry them, it doesn't matter. It's like a starchier banana. Like a potato-y banana.
Can you eat these without them being like cooked, like fried or whatever?
You can.
But they don't taste good?
It would give you intestinal distress.
Oh, okay. Well, that answers that question. We probably don't even need that many.
Well, I think once you guys try them, at least the boys are gonna love them. You mountain folk don't know nothing about plantains.
You know what? I am a mountain folk, and I'm proud of it. I'd rather be from the mountains than the desert.
I don't disagree.
He doesn't disagree, y'all.
Although, it's a special kind of hot here, too.
It has been pretty hot. So, that's all you do.
Okay, do we have any coconut oil?
We do have coconut oil. Why are you cooking it in coconut oil?
Because it tastes better.
Oh, God! He tried to kill me with the coconut oil. Whew. Lord help me, Jesus.
Coconut oil, that one.
Don't put it in the other one. It needs the actual oil. Are you putting it in there? Oh, and then this one's got olive oil.
I use olive oil instead of vegetable oil.
And then this one's got, and we're just gonna go ahead and
put the plantains in there. And then we're gonna put.
While these are cooking, y'all, we're gonna saute up these. So this is what we got going on right now for the side and then for the main part. So we will be back in a few minutes after these have cooked up.
They're about done.
Okay, you guys, we're back. So we got, these are all sauteed up. The plantains are about done. We just added some salt and pepper.
And a little bit of.
We're getting ready to fry up an egg. These are our Baney eggs. You guys, I done a garden tour and showed you my chickens, so I will leave that video down below. So here we go. I'm gonna fry up an egg.
Oh, I gotta fry up an egg?
Yeah.
Well, I was cooking plantains, okay? Alright, egg. Baby egg.
Yep. And you guys, I might
One or two?
show you just one right now. I might show you at the end of this video. I might show you our chickens again. So the beard's cooking. The beard likes to cook, so pretty eggs.
One little Baney
Then
egg.
we're also going to slice up an avocado and get everything put in here.
Alright, you got a plate for your plantains?
Yeah, with the purple one.
They're pretty close to done.
Okay.
Oh my gosh, we got little helper. Two little helpers.
Hi. Hi.
Back up from the stove, buddy. He's a firefighter. Uh-oh, he needs ice one. There you go. All right. Stop.
You're making me. We don't get any big.
Okay, so now what we need to do is we need to, the instructions, as you can see here. Turn the heat to high and add the rice. Fry for a minute before adding a can of beans with liquid. Add chicken, bouillon, salt, and pepper to taste. Stir constantly and then serve it with the stuff. So,
Chicken bouillon?
the cube chicken. So we are going to add the rice, which is in this pot. We're going to turn the heat up to high. And then we're going to add our rice. Oh God. Trying to do this one-handed and hold the camera is
Here, I'll hold the camera while you
a bit of a fun experience. Thank you.
Hi.
Monster, back up so you don't get that ready.
Hi.
Kidney beans? Did it say kidney beans?
It's all good.
Doesn't matter. Beans are beans. Uh-oh. Forgot about the egg.
I added the bouillon cube.
We have to add a little bit more liquid. I don't know that can had enough.
I think yeah. Guys, we're gonna add a little bit more liquid to this because it just did not have enough. And I turned the heat way down.
Come on, jump off you and show them the done plantains. Those are done. And put them on a plate. Put them on any plate here
Here's that.
with the egg.
No, that one.
This one?
The roast one. Y'all, I'm literally just adding some pepper to this. And some salt.
And some adobo. You put adobo in everything.
Let everything come together. We gotta cook a few more eggs. Okay, you guys, this is done. We are going to cook up a few more eggs, and we will be back with the finished dishes, and we will let you see what the kids think. Okay, you guys, I told you that I would show you our chickens. This is the white one's a Baney. There's our rooster. We've got some really big Rhode Island Reds. We've got a chicken on top of the feeding thing. See how big that they've gotten, you guys? Like they've gotten pretty good sized. And this is the brooder box that the beard built out of scraps. So, oh, and we do have a top on it. But these are our chickies. Actually, those white ones are our two Banies, and then the rooster, and then those are the Rhode Island Reds. Okay, guys, time to go back in so we can eat and taste test. Okay, you guys, so here are
Don't eat yet. Don't eat yet.
the finished plates.
Here.
There's Monsters. There's Dustin. Okay, what do you think, Dustin? Try plantain. Monster, try plantain. What do you think?
Good.
Does it taste like a banana? No.
Is it good? Aiden, try one. Tell me what you think.
No, I didn't try plantain.
You don't like it? What's it taste like?
Tastes like a fried banana.
Does not taste like a fried banana.
A Monster likes them. You're eating them up, ain't you, baby?
Put something on it.
Is the avocado good?
That'll work.
Yes.
Actually.
Yep.
Ah!
He really sprayed his. What are you putting on there? Creole seasoning. Okay, you guys.
Here,
So
Dustin.
this is our around the world dish. So I hope that you enjoyed. And if you did, leave it a thumbs up and leave a comment on what you guys think we should do next.
Probably won't even be able to eat these.
And I will see you in our next video. Bye.